Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back. Murahari Maths online classes. Today we discuss about integration part 12. Question number 1. Integral cos 2x dx by cos square x into sin square x. So cos 2x. We have one formula. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now integral cos 2x formula, right? Cos square x minus sin square x. This whole divided by cos square x into sin square x. Now by using separate division method, cos square x by cos square x into sin square x, cos square x dx by cos square x into sin square x minus sin square x dx by cos square x into sin square x. One sin square x as well as one cos square x get cancelled. Now I say that 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x dx minus 1 by cos square x secant square x. Integral cosecant square x, this formula minus cot x, and integral secant square x is tan x plus c. So let us say next problem, integral 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Let us do denominator rationalization. Integral 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x and divide multiplied by 1 minus sin x. Now we get 1 minus sin x into 1 minus sin x by using a minus b whole square formula. A square minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab dx by denominator a plus b into a minus b. So by using a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. Now 1 plus sin square x minus 2 sin x by 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x formula is cos square x. Now we get integral. So by using separate division method, 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x dx plus integral sin square x by cos square x dx. Next minus 2 constant in this sin x by cos square x dx. Sin x by cos square x dx. So 1 by cos square x, we get secant square x, sin square by cos square x, tan square x, and sin x by cos square x. Sin by cos, one sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So this continuation, 1 by cos square x, we get secant square x dx plus integral tan square x minus integral sin x by cos square x, 2 times of sin x by cos square x, cos x into cos x. This is equal to integral secant square x, we get tan x, integral tan square x. We have tan square x from trigonometry formula secant square x minus 1, secant square x minus 1 dx minus 2 constant. In this, 1 sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So tan x into secant x. This is equal to tan x plus integral secant square x, we get tan x minus 1 dx value x. So tan x minus x minus 2 times of integral tan x into secant x, we get secant x. So now tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x minus 2 secant x minus x plus. This is the final result. question number 3. Integral 2 to the power x into 3 power x dx. So integral 2 power x into 3 power x. So by using this formula, a to the power x into b to the power x is equal to ab whole power x. So 2 power x into 3 power x can be written as 2 into 3 whole power x dx. This is equal to 6 to the power x. We have integral a to the power x is equal to a to the power x by log a. A to the power x by log a. So integral 6 to the power x formula is 6 to the power x. According to that formula, 6 to the power x by log 6 plus c. Next, moving to question number 4. Integral tan x plus cot x whole square dx. First, by using a plus b whole square formula, integral in this a is tan x, b is cot x. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 tan x into cot x. So where a place in tan x, b place in cot x, we should write integral tan square x dx plus integral cot square x dx plus 2 times of tan x into cot x get cancelled. Both are reciprocal. So 1 dx. This will be integral tan square x. But tan square x trigonometric formula secant square x minus 1. This formula secant square x minus 1 dx. Integral cot square x, we have formula cosecant square x minus 1 plus 1 dx value x. So integral secant square x dx minus 1 dx. Integral secant square x dx minus 1 dx plus integral cosecant square x minus 1 dx plus 2x dx, 2x plus c. So integral secant square x, we get tan x 1 dx, derivative integration reciprocal get cancelled, 1 dx value x plus integral cosecant square x value minus cot x minus 1 dx is x plus 2x plus c. So 2x get cancelled. So minus x minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. So final result tan x minus cot x plus c. See question number 5. Integral a to the power x plus b to the power x whole square by a power x into b power x. Integral by using a plus b whole square formula. A square a to the power x whole square and b square b to the power x whole square plus 2 times of a power x into b power x dx by a to the power x into b to the power x. This will be by using separate division method, a to the power x whole square by a power x into b power x plus integral second term b power x whole square by right denominator value b to the power x whole square dx by a to the power x into b to the power x, 2 constant a to the power x into b to the power x dx by a to the power x into b to the power x. 1 a power x get cancelled, 1 b power x, a power x, b power x get cancelled. This will be integral a by b whole power x plus this value is nothing but b by a whole power x dx plus 2 into 1 dx. We know that integral a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x by log a formula. So by using that formula, integral a by b whole power x, this formula is a by b power x by log a by b plus this will be b by a whole power x by log b by a plus 2 into 1 dx value x plus c. 1 dx value x plus c. Question number 6. Integral cos to the power 4x minus sin to the power 4x by root 1 plus cos 2x. Now cos power 4x. This can be written as cos square x whole square minus sin square x whole square dx by under root 1 plus cos 4x. We have 1 plus cos 4x. 1 plus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos square 2x. 1 plus cos 4x is 2 cos square 2x formula. So 2 cos square 2x, this will be, so by using a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. Cos square, this is a, this is b. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, where a placed in cos square x and b placed in sin square x. By denominator root 2 into root cos square 2x. Root cos square 2x, we get cos 2x. Root 2 square get cancelled. In this cos square x plus sin square x value 1. In this cos square x minus sin square x value, this formula is cos 2x. This formula is cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x by root 2 times of cos 2x. In this one cos 2x get cancelled. 1 by root 2 get constant 1 dx. So 1 dx value x plus c. So x by root 2 plus c. Into question number 7. Integral 1 plus tan square x by 1 plus cot square x dx. Now 1 plus tan square x. Tan square x formula sin square x by cos square x by 1 plus, we have cot square x formula cos square x by sin square x. So let us take LCM. What is the LCM? Cos square x. And denominator LCM is sin square x. So cos square x. After LCM, this value cos square x plus sin square x upon, so denominator LCM is sin square x. After LCM, this value sin square x plus cos square x. So cos square x plus sin square, we get 1. 1 by cos square x and 1 by sin square x. This will be 1 by cos square x by 1 by sin square x. This is nothing but 1 by cos square x by 1 by sin square x. 1 by cos square x, write as it is. 1 by sin square x means sin square x into 1. This is equal to sin square x by cos square x, we get tan square x. This is equal to integral tan square x. We have tan square x trigonometric formula secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1 dx. This is equal to integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. So integral secant square x, we get tan x. And 1 dx value x plus c. So tan x minus x plus c. Now moving to next problem. Integral cos x minus sin x into 2 plus 2 sin 2x by cos x plus sin x dx. So integral cos x minus sin x into, I take 1 2 common, 1 plus sin 2x dx by denominator write as it is cos x plus sin x. We have 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x formula cos x plus sin x whole square. 1 plus sin 2x formula cos x plus sin x whole square. In the similarly cos x minus 1 minus sin 2x formula cos x minus sin x whole square. This will be, in this 2 take out common, cos x minus sin x into 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x value cos x plus sin x whole square dx by denominator write cos x plus sin x. In this 1 plus sin x, cos x plus sin x get cancelled. In this 2 constant, integral cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x, we have cos square x minus sin square x. This will be 2 constant, integral cos square x minus sin square x, we have formula cos 2x. So 2 constant, integral cos 2x. So integral cos 2x, formula is sin 2x, but derivative of 2x is 2, integration is by 2. Because derivative integration both are reciprocals. So now final answer sin 2x plus c. To question number 9, integral cot inverse of secant x minus tan x. We have secant x minus tan x. This formula tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. And the secant x plus tan x formula tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. In this statement secant x minus tan x is there. So integral cot inverse secant tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. This will be cot inverse of tan theta. So tan theta formula is in terms of cotangent cot 90 minus theta. So tan theta formula is cot 90 minus theta. This will be cot 90 minus theta, where theta placed in pi by 4 minus x by 2 there. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now cot inverse of cot. We have cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. According to that property, this will be pi by 2, where theta placed in this total value, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus into minus plus x by 2 dx. Now we get 90 minus pi by 4, 45 degrees plus x by 2 dx. Now we get pi by 4 constant 1 dx plus 1 by 2 constant x dx. This is x by 2. X by 2 integration is 1 by 2 constant x dx. So pi by 4 into 1 dx value is x plus 1 by 2 into x integration x square by 2 plus c. X to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. Question number 10. Integral x into root x minus 1 by root x minus 1 dx. So x root x. X root x is nothing but root x whole cube. This is equal to integral root x whole cube minus 1 cube by root x minus 1. We know that a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. A square plus b square plus ab. In this a place in root x, b place in 1 there. So integral. So by using a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b root x minus 1 into a square plus b square plus ab into dx by root x minus 1. 1 root x minus 1 get cancelled. Now we get root x whole square is x dx. Next 1 dx plus root x dx. Root x into 1 root x dx. So x integration is x square by 2. 1 dx value x root x. Root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. So x to the power 1 by 2 is integration 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is the final result. Question number 11. Integral 1 plus x plus root x plus x square by root x plus root 1 plus x. Integral this 1 plus x. This 1 plus x can be written as root 1 plus x whole square. In this one x take out common, root x into root 1 plus x. This whole by denominator write as it is root x plus root 1 plus x dx. Now in numerator root 1 plus x, root 1 plus x take out common, root 1 plus x. So remaining value root 1 plus x plus root x dx by this whole by root x plus root 1 plus x. One root this value get cancelled, same value. So integral root 1 plus x, this is nothing but 1 plus x power 1 by 2 dx. This will be 1 plus x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Let us see question number 12. Integral 1 minus root x dx by 1 plus 4th root x. We know that root x is equal to 4th root x whole square. Now integral 1 minus 4th root x. This root x can be written as 4th root x whole square dx. This whole divided by 1 plus 4th root x. So by using a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So integral 1 minus 4th root x into 1 plus 4th root x dx. This whole divided by 1 plus 4th root x. So 1 plus 4th root x get cancelled. Now integral 1 dx minus integral 4th root x. This 4th root x means x to the power 1 by 4 dx. This will be 1 dx value, we get x minus x to the power 1 by 4. X to the power 1 by 4 integration x to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. This is the final result. Now I am going to explain question number 13. Integral cot square x dx by cosecant square x plus cosecant x. We know that cot square x formula cosecant square x minus 1. Now cot square expression right formula cosecant square x minus 1 dx upon in denominator 1 cosecant x take out common cosecant x. So remaining value cosecant x plus 1. This is 1 place in 1 means 1 square. By using a square minus b square formula, integral cosecant x minus 1 into cosecant x plus 1. A minus b into a plus b. Denominator value write as it is. 1 cosecant x plus 1 get cancelled, same value. Next, by using separate division method, cosecant x by cosecant x 1 minus 1 by cosecant x sine. So integral cosecant x dx by cosecant x minus 1 by cosecant x dx. So 1 cosecant x get cancelled. Integral 1 dx minus 1 by cosecant x is nothing but sin x. So now I say that 1 dx value x minus integral sin x. Integral sin x we get minus cos x plus c. This answer is x plus cos x plus c. X plus cos x plus c. Question number 14. In numerator x minus 1. This x minus 1 can be written as x power 1 by 3 whole cube minus 1 cube. So by using a cube minus b cube formula, we have a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. In this a place in x to the power 1 by 3 and b place in 1 right. X to the power a minus b, x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole a square plus b square plus ab. Now x minus 1. In numerator x minus 1 place and write these factors. X to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 into x to the power 1 by 3 whole square is x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power 1 by 3 dx. So denominator value x to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. In this, these factors get cancelled. So remaining value x to the power 1 by 3 dx minus 1 dx. Now we get x to the power 1 by 3 integration x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 dx value x plus c. This will be x to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Denominator 4 by 3 means 3 by 4 into x to the power 4 by 3 minus x plus c. This is the final answer. Question number 15. Integral x square minus 2 dx by x square plus 1. Integral. So write denominator as it is x square plus 1. In numerator x square, this minus 2 can be written as minus 2. Place in right plus 1 minus 3. Why? Because denominator plus 1 is there. So by using individual division, integral x square plus 1 dx by x square plus 1 minus 3 by x square plus 1 dx. In the x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 3 by x square plus 1. 1 x square plus 1 get cancelled. This is 1 dx minus 3 constant 1 by x square plus 1 integration formula tan inverse x plus c. So 1 dx, this 1 dx is x minus 3 tan inverse x plus c. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next video.